Hi, let's take a look at proper variables application with Robot Framework. I'm going to add another file, rtc005.robot. Then I'm going to add 123 space control space settings, library, selenium, library. Then 123 space control space. This time it's gonna be variables. And 123 space control space test cases RTC005. Test case gonna be variables, robot variables, I'm gonna call it robot variables. Now I want to do something. I want to record a simple test. I'm gonna be using robot coder again. I start record. First of all, I'm going to clear. Then I'll put, let's say, 1 million. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna enter, let's say, 25 years. Interest rate, let's say 8.5. And I'm going to click on calculate. Click on robot again, stop, and copy to clipboard. I'm back to my pie chart. I'm gonna enter, then I'm gonna add command sleep. 3 seconds. I'm going to add close browser. And first of all, I need to tab all of them. That's it. Now, you see this browser left. This is a Python variable. So first of all, I'm gonna declare variable URL browser. Browser will be, please remember, it's in Python, it's double space indentation. 1, 2, Chrome. And variable and URL will be 1, 2, this one. Now I can substitute your recorded link with URL variable and browser with browser variable. Now I'm gonna copy it. First was clear. First action I applied was clear, so I'm gonna create another one, curly brackets, clear, double space. Now I can substitute with clear. Then copy. I create variable locator amount, double space, amount. And another one was input amount. Input amount 1, 2, and it was what? 25 years. No, sorry, 1 million. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I substitute web element locator amount and input amount with another one. Now I need to create term. I create variable term, double space 1, 2, locator, and another variable for input term, the data we're gonna be using, double space 25. Okay, so now I can substitute term and with an input term, which is data. Good. Next one is rate. Rate, double space, and another variable, input rate. Put rate, what do you ask? 8.5. 8.5. Now I substitute rate and input rate. Need to be very careful with spacing. Then calculate final variable, calculate 1, 2, and finally I substitute with calculate. Calculate. This is it. We did it. File, save, and now it's time to run. Let me see once again. I don't want to repeat myself. Amount, input amount, term, I switch to input term, rate to input rate. Amount, input amount, term, input term, rate, input rate. Okay, let's test it. Robot tests RTC005.robot. Let me check spelling. Looks fine. Enter. Okay. Okay, the test case passed. We got all logs, everything. Let me see the log HTML. Would look to me. Let me see the report HTML. Okay. Good. Clear. As you can see, it's not so difficult to do. All you need to do is to, first of all, apply a robot coder to record your test. Then you carefully substitute your web elements and data input. You substitute it with variables. I'd like to remind you that all your variables supposed to have meaningful names. Do not forget double spacing. This is it. Have a look. It is not difficult to do at all. That's it. See you in the next lecture.